Hi viewer, you watching my channel. I'm your host. Today I'm show you how to install WordPress theme in the new website. How to make it. So let's start now. Click the upload themes and click it here and select it where your download themes. So yeah, this is my themes. I'm selected here for my themes. This is my zip file and I upload it. Now I click here, install now. So you click here and install now. Wait few minutes. You can installing the proper install successfully. Your theme already installed successfully. After installation, you have to click here for activation your theme. So now I click it here. If you want to see live preview your theme, how can look this, you click it here. If you go to return back for the themes, you go click here, return to theme page. So I now click here for the active. Now it is my theme going to activate. Now this is my theme active right now. This is all for the details. And I go to theme panel. You see this my theme is coming here. This is very easy to install WordPress theme. Any you have PC, any you have domain. So next step is for the checking to here your theme is properly working. You see this for live demo also. This is for details for theme video zoom. I am using for theme video zoom. This is the site from my collect here. This themes video zoom. This is my theme video zoom. So I come back. This for all the settings. You can see here. This your personal settings. Posting here. You check it after this layout. Your theme layout. Is loading some page. This primary menu. Now there are no layout, no menu because I am installing right now. This subscriber menu, portrait, this welcome. So appearance, click the theme and click here. If you want to go see the history, this is the site ftheme.com. You click here ftheme.com. You say this coming ftheme.com. You click from here video themes. This is all the video themes available here. So I go back. Now I check the how many options you have. I check widget. What kind of widget he have now. I go back to first of all check the install the theme plugin. This theme plugin I must click the active. So every theme you install after installation your plugin make the active. So now my plugin is active now. My plugin all is active. My theme is going running. Main sub settings. Here click static web page. Now still I don't have any page. So I go on parents, themes, and I customize themes. This my themes. This look my themes. You can change here from titles, and also you can change here site logos. Also you can change here colors. Then you can change here from also backgrounds. This for menus, you create here for menus. I make the later. This for all widget. This home page setting. So this is the way for the installation themes for video makers. So I hope you like this my video. If you like this my video, this tutorial, and next tutorial I show you how to make full editings. So this time only just I way how to install for video themes. So now this my video theme is properly installed. So see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like my channel and share.